Welcome back to a new video. As you saw, we got the truck fired up. You have to excuse my voice. I have some allergies going on. The weather's changing. It'll go like 70 one day and then 30 the next and 70 the next. And it's just really stuffing me up. So I'll try to talk as clear as I can. But as you saw, we got it fired up. Just had to put a little bit of oil in it, put the battery in it, turn the key. And it does have that tick or knock. I don't think it is in the block. I think it's, after watching a few videos and looking some stuff up briefly, I think it's either a lifter, the timing chain, tensioners, or even the exhaust manifold. So I think we'll be able to figure it out, but before we do any of that stuff or lift it up, let's go ahead and run the OBD scanner on it. I haven't done that yet. It's got 142,793 miles, 142,000. It's not that many. I've got over 200 on mine, my Jeep. And this is a 4.7. So same engine basically as the Jeep. It's 2004 year. Engine, read codes, no codes stored, back, pending codes. We got O2 sensor and O2 sensor. So those aren't even stored, they're pending. Okay, O2 sensor is all we got. So looks like that's it. Like I said, it's got the tick. It does fire right up. It is a loud tick, but after watching some stuff, I think it probably is the lifter or timing chain, something like that. So luckily, I don't think it is the piston. Anything like that would be in the block. So I think we'll be able to fix it up. And I'll tell you what, I mean, it is clean. I'm excited to rip this thing around. So let's get it up in the air.